Hi, welcome back to another Kids Art Now video. I'm Marissa and we're going to be drawing a PlayStation 5. First you start off with the side and it kind of flares out at the bottom, just like this. Next we're going to start at that top edge and go up, 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 diagonally to the top. We're going to round the corner and come down just like this. Now we're going to make a rounded curve and go all the way across and round the side at the bottom. Now we're going to start back up here, kind of about here, and go out. And then we're going to round ourselves all the way down. And then we're going to round back in just like this. Next, we're going to start about here and go out. And then we're going to round ourselves down, come in a bit like this. And then once you're done with that, you're going to come back in to the middle. Kind of reminds me of a book. Next, we're going to add the base at the bottom. The base starts about in the middle and goes around, out, out, out. It goes up past the line and then it goes inward. Just like this, and down, and then this whole bottom piece will be black. So that's why it doesn't matter if you go through the line, because you're going to color it black anyways. I'll save it for later. Next we're going to draw the PlayStation logo. The PlayStation logo goes up and goes kind of like this, then it goes down. And then once you're done with that side, you're going to round it out by going up and down in. Then there's another curve that goes out like this and then back around. You can kind of round out that P that goes like this. There we go. After that, we're going to draw the word Sony on the side. You can turn your paper or just write at an angle. S-O-N-Y. And they're block letters. And then for the N and the Y, you could put little dashes on the ends of them, just like this, to kind of make it more blockish on the S as well. There we go, Sony. After that, we're going to draw two ports in the middle. They're just little rectangles. There's one, and then there's a smaller one right below it. Just like that. If you want to, you can draw a face in the middle. I always like drawing faces. I think it just makes it more fun, but it's totally up to you. My face is going to have two big eyes. And I like making them big because it makes it cute and it just pops out a little more. I'm going to make two circles in the eyes, just like this. And then same thing for the other eye, one larger one, and then one kind of diagonal that's smaller. I'm going to draw a cute little line like that and then a curve. And then I'm going to fill it in black. And then this part will be black in the eye. This part will also be black in the eye. And we're going to add some detail like blue around the edges for the light. Blue right here. This part is black and the rest is kind of left white. So here we go. Here's our cute PlayStation 5. I hope you like this simple drawing. Please subscribe for more videos and I will see you next time. Bye!